Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F54 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, click on one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current login method. Lastly, tap on Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!